Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store error on iPhone or iPad. If you are trying to download apps from the App Store but you are getting this error and you are not able to download apps, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this error. So let's get started the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So now let me show you how you can fix this. So the first step is make sure that you check your internet connection. Always you can go to YouTube and Safari browse and make sure that your internet connection is working, and if your internet connection is working, then the next step is forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi network. You can do that in setting. Click on Wi-Fi, click on eye icon, click on forget this network. Now rejoin the network. Now once you are connected to the Wi-Fi again, now you can go back to your App Store and see if it's working, and if it's still not working, then allow App Store to use data. If you are on the cellular data, then you can always go to cellular and make sure that you allow App Store. So once you have done this, and if it's still not working, then force close the App Store and relaunch it. You can always, if you have iPhone with the home button, you can double press, and if you have iPhone without home button, you can just swipe up and close the all apps, and then again go to the App Store and see if it's working. Then if it's still not working, then make sure that you go to settings, click on general, click on software update to see if there is any update. So if you get any update, make sure that you download and install that update in your iPhone. It can fix your problem. So if you have the update, you can simply click on download and install the update, then you can enter your passcode. So once you have done this updating iPhone, and if it's still not working, then go to setting, click on general and see if there is any VPN profile. Click on VPN and device management. So if there is any VPN profile, then simply click on delete VPN. So once you have deleted the VPN, then go back to general, click on date and time and make sure that you have turned on the set automatically. Then the next and last step is go to general, scroll down, click on transfer reset, click on reset network setting, then enter your passcode. It will remove Wi-Fi, so make sure that you have the Wi-Fi password. So then you can go back to your App Store and your App Store will be working again. So if this video helps you, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.